How to add and embed a video into Squarespace. As you can see here, I already have an empty design, so let's just get straight into it. The first one you want to press is here, Edit, and then let's add a section. I'll have it blank for now. Once here, just press this button, Add Block, and then press here, Embed. Now press this pencil icon. They'll give you two ways to embed a video. I'll show you how to do it with a link. So if it's a link, it's very simple. Just go to YouTube videos. For example, I have this YouTube video. Let's copy and paste the link. Paste, it'll search, and then it'll show up right here. The other way is by using a code snippet. Usually when you watch a video, for example here, this is a Eugene video on Instagram, you can press this three dot and then press this, embed, and they'll give you the code. I'll copy that code, and now I'll go to code snippet, embed data, and then I'll just copy and paste the code given from Instagram. We can preview this. It's not showing for me because I'm not logged in, but once you get the page up and running, it should be okay. There's also another way. Let's try with TikTok, for example.
Initially, Thor had no idea.
This video, we can use this share button and then press this, embed, copy the code again, go back, code snippet, embed data, delete the old one, paste the new one in, back. Let's preview this. It haven't loaded in, but you get the idea. You've successfully embedded videos from YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. The way you do this with every website is different. Maybe they have different ways of embedding code. That's okay, you can probably figure it out, but you get the general steps now. It's as easy as that.